Hi everyone, and welcome to today's video where we are going to be learning how to find the lowest common multiple, or in other words, the LCM. Before you start learning this, make sure you watch this video on prime factorization. I will link it in the description if you haven't, but it's a very good skill and important skill to use when you're finding the lowest common multiple, so make sure you know how to do that first. What is the LCM? LCM stands for lowest common multiple, and it's the smallest number that is a multiple of the two numbers you're trying to find the LCM of. You will occasionally see this term with the HCF, the highest common factor. The highest common factor is the biggest number that is a factor of both numbers. I have another video on the highest common factor, and I'll link that in the description as well. But in this video, we're going to be focusing on the lowest common multiple. Example 1. What is the LCM of 4 and 6? We're going to use method 1. Method 1 is good for small numbers where you don't need a calculator. So we can list out the multiples of 4. The multiples of 4 include 4, 8, 12, 16. To find multiples of 4, you just do 4 times 1, 4 times 2, 4 times 3, etc. And we can list out the first few multiples of 6 as well, 6, 12, 18, and 24. Now we have to find a common multiple in both. So we can see that the number 12 is in both the multiples of 4 and 6. And this is the smallest multiple of 4 and 6. If we kept listing the multiples of 4, we would find 24. And that is also a common multiple of 4 and 6, but it's not the lowest. The lowest would be 12. Therefore, we can say the lowest common multiple of 4 and 6 is 12. Pause the video here and try out these questions using that method I just showed you. Here are the answers. Make sure you mark your work and let me know how you did in the comment section below. Example 2. We're going to use method 2 here. I call this method the what wins method. In highest common factor we use the what loses method, but in LCM we use the what wins. So find the LCM of 8 and 14. So we need to prime factorize 8 to find what the prime factors are. So we can say that the prime factors of 8 are 2 times 2 times 2. So for prime factorization in index form, we'd get 2 cubed. And for 14, we can do 2 times 7, and these are the only prime factors, so 14 is equal to 2 times 7. If we line these up like this, LCM is what wins, so that is the biggest number. So from 2 cubed and 2, 2 cubed wins, and then from 7 and nothing, 7 wins because 7 is greater. Therefore, we can do 2 cubed times 7, which is the same thing as 8 times 7, and we get 56. Therefore, the lowest common multiple of 8 and 14 is 56. Pause the video here and try out this one. Find the lowest common multiple of 16 and 20, and we use the what wins method again. So 16, if we prime factorize that, we can get 16 is equal to 2 to the power of 4. And if we prime factorize 20 to 4 and 5, and then 2 times 2 times 5, we can get the prime factorization of 20 is 2 squared times 5. Out of 2 to the power of 4 and 2 squared, 2 to the power of 4 wins because this is bigger, and 5 wins over nothing. So therefore, to find the lowest common multiple of 16 and 20, we do 2 to the power of 4 times 5, which is 16 times 5, and we can get 80. Pause the video here and try out all these questions. They get harder as you go on. You can use either method 1 or method 2, but I recommend practicing a lot with method 2. The answers will be in the comment section below, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!